come. Let's go for a ride. I haven't even shown you guys what's under here. It's like a... Now I would say that for later. Yeah, let's get to work. So I'm gonna get going on the trunk. Some maggot holes in here. A few. I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna cut everything out, but probably remove the gas tank first so I don't blow up the place. Cut everything out. I'm just gonna attach these plates here. So I have something to attach the roll cage to, which is gonna come from here and go through and attach to the plates. So 2 plates. We just put this plate over this big hole in the frame and ignore it ever existed. And then I'm just gonna make some structure in here so I can put in some aluminum. Aluminum is great. Aluminum! I added some paint in here, finished up the plates for the roll cage, the frame. So now I'm just gonna add in the aluminum pieces. The corners, make one with a bend that I can then rivet to the, well, what's left of the quarter, I guess. Oh well. So I'm just gonna fit this in, add some rivets, as usual. Let's go. Everything is in place. All the rivets, everything is done. And yes, I shaved. Don't cry like my wife and kids did. It's gonna grow out again. I'm gonna look old again soon.
I'm old.
I also taken the time to actually clean all of the interior. Even wash the car. Look, looks like new. So the next step is gonna be to take the car outside, just wipe everything down and paint it black. But since it's raining today, I'm just gonna fix this area. I'm just gonna make a aluminum piece to cover this and make some dimple plates and, well, something. So I don't really like how this area looks, so I'm just gonna cut out what I don't want and make an aluminum piece for it instead. I've cleaned everything up. Now I'm gonna spray some paint. I'm gonna paint everything in the interior, in the trunk, and under the hood. Everything is painted. I'm gonna rivet in the aluminum thingy. made this so I can fill in this gap. So I'm just gonna put it right here. I've got this added to both sides now, so now I'm gonna make something to cover up this area between the trunk and the cabin. So I'm just gonna make some aluminum panels to cover up, and we need to make a little thing in the middle to hold everything, because I just have pieces that extend to the half of it. So rear section is done. Next step is gonna be fitting the tank lid somehow. So I bought this. So I think I'm gonna put it like something like this. Yeah, it's gonna do something. So I made the mount, just ugly welded the studs on the back. Let's cut the hole. Not bad. Woohoo! Gas cap in place. So now I'm just gonna connect everything from here down through here, and then get it into the fuel cell. Originally there's a gas cap on top of the fuel cell, so I'm gonna need to make some sort of new connection from here to a pipe so I can bring it up into the gas cap. I was gonna 3D print it, but the filament I have doesn't really hold up against gasoline, so I'm just gonna weld something instead. So I managed to get the pipe in place, goes up, comes around and connects to the gas cap. So I'm gonna have a little rubber thingy here, and then I'm most likely gonna make a cut like here and do a rubber connection as well, just to avoid the vibrations. And I'm just gonna make some mounts so I can detach the fuel cell to the trunk floor, and I have a frame going under here in the middle and one going right here. And there we go, fuel cell is in place. Managed to attach it on both sides, so it's rigid as hell.
I think that kind of wraps it up for now. Yeah. See you next time.